Hello everyone, once again a very welcome to my YouTube channel Weekend. And guys, as you all know, I am in Bangalore and this video is all about my Bangalore but in my PG room tour. So guys, first thing I would like to tell you, I got placed in Bangalore company, and so which is currently I am working in there. And so in this video I'll give you my PG room tour. It is a very near to my office, and I will tell to the address also. This is in 29 Crossroad, HSR Layout, Sector 7, and the PG name is Sai PG. So guys, in this video I will give you my PG room tour, how it looks and what is the food, everything, every details I will give in this video only. So don't get much delay, let's move to the video.
Press again. Press again. Thank you.
Hyderabad. Came from Hyderabad to Bengaluru for institute purpose. I'm taking and coaching of cyber security, and the PG was near to me, for 2 kilometers far. This PG is PG. I'm at room for 408 room. The food also very good. The water facility is very good, and the solar system is accommodated up top of the floor. Very good. The site PG is very good, and whether the food also and water facilities and Wi-Fi connection very good. But what is the shelter is good also. But for my far institute, it's 2 kilometer. I have chosen the best and better PG. Economic problem is nearby institute is 75k, 7,500. One of my friend is suggested this PG. I have joined in this month of 13th June.
One thing I want to ask you, which floor you are staying?
I am staying 4th floor, 408 room. This IPG is all are men's only. For men's only it will be available. If you men's, it will be good for us. And one of my roommate is good for me. He is near Bengaluru. He is good, and whatever the facilities, water or food facilities and
Everything is good.
Everything is good.
3 sharing room or 2 sharing? Which are you staying?
2 sharing room.
2 sharing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I am staying, guys. I will let you know. I am staying in 3 sharing room. As I on that already video you seen, three bed is there in my room. So I am staying in 3 sharing room. And so guys, this is a student which are staying in PG. So I thought, why should I not giving to you review from someone else? So this is the guy. And what is his name, bro? I forgot.
My name is Vinod.
Okay. Vinod. Okay. So guys, this is the review about this PG, and I hope you will clear your all doubts. If you have still any doubts, you can comment down with me and ask me any question or any query regarding PG. It is in Sector 728 Crossroad, HSR layout in Bengaluru. Yeah guys, here only I am ending this video, and I hope you like this video and it is very informative to you all people, and those who are watching this video and planning to coming in Bengaluru and staying in PG. This is very helpful video for you guys, and I hope you will love this video. If you love this video, then you know what you need to do. Do like, share, subscribe, comment and press the bell icon too, and we'll meet in next